All right, I've been getting this question a lot. So in this video, I want to show you how to remove the plastic protecting part underneath here so you can actually clean inside of your Bissell water reservoir. And carpet cleaner doesn't, now it doesn't matter if you have a power steamer, power lift, whatever model that you have, it's fairly simple to do. And of course, to remove this top layer, you just push this lever forward and that pops up. Now I want to show you here in a minute how to remove this part here and clean underneath it and to actually remove and clean inside. It's fairly easy to do, believe it or not. This part right here, there probably is a way to get this top part off to clean this dirt and hair and stuff. Of course, as you know, this is your little reservoir filler to put your solution in, your Bissell solution. You just fill that up and you empty it in. In order to clean the grime underneath here on this top layer, you can use a Q-tip, you can use a toothbrush, but the key is to clean it frequently that it doesn't accumulate all this hair and grime. So if you clean as you go, it's not as hard. Now you might say, well, how do I get underneath here? A toothbrush won't reach. You can use like a pipe cleaner, and you've seen those with the pipe cleaners will actually bend and then you can clean. You can use a Allen wrench to where you can go in like this and then just go around like that to get the grime off. And then of course spray some dishwasher in there as you're going along like that. And just basically get creative. Yeah, you probably could remove this part here, but it'll end up breaking. So don't bother with it. Just clean this as you go. All right, now I want to show you how to remove this top piece here and to clean. So this particular carpet cleaner is an all-in-one. So basically we pour the cleaner actually in the tank itself along with water, and then what's going to happen is the carpet cleaner is going to clean. The dirty water will actually come to the bottom, and then this little symbiotic plastic pouch is where your clean water goes into with the solution, and then you dump the dirty water out here, which is underneath this little plastic pouch here. All right, it's a pretty simple design. Some of the carpet cleaners come with a separate reservoir which goes to the side. I kind of like those better, but these are fine as well. So it's only thing you're going to really need is a flat or a Phillips head screwdriver, the Phillips X, and then a brush to clean with, of course, and a little bit of muscle and elbow grease. So you're going to see here on this round part here, this is where you're going to lift, and you're going to see two tabs here. There's one here and one here. And the only thing you have to do is you're going to try to muscle this plastic underneath these two tabs, and it'll flip up. So the only thing you have to do is push towards me like this, and then that will flip up like here. Now, this is actually being connected here to the bottom. So you're going to see 4 Phillips head screws here. And I went ahead and removed 3 of them just for demonstration purposes. So go ahead and remove this one. And then that's going to remove the little plastic thing. And this part right here will pop up. So I know it's frustrating because you can't, number one, you can't remove this, and then this seems like it's glued here. So you see all the hair and stuff, and it makes it really dirty and unsightly. So from there, only thing you have to do is push this in like that. And again, I'm going to have to push this forward to open this lid up, and that pops out. And then you can do your cleaning here. Just use some dishwasher soap and cleaning detergent. And again, this is where the dirty water comes into, and this part inside should stay clean, although you might get some soap residue in here. And what happens is people will ask, well, are you putting dirty water back onto your carpet? No. The clean water with the solution goes in here. This will eventually empty out while you're doing it, and then this part becomes dirty. This is what you empty out, and then you fill this back up with water and more solution. All right, and in order to put it back on, you pretty much do the reversal. You put that back on in here. You would push this part back in here, and you might have to use some muscle to get this lit back, but you understand the premise behind it. You're gonna have to push this up around here. See there? Now I got that back on. And the only thing I have to do is screw that back on, and then I got a clean reservoir. I'm going to put a link in the comment section where you can get the genuine Bissell carpet cleaner on Amazon. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get this. I like this particular one because it has the Febreze on it, and it's 2 times concentrate. And one of these will last me several carpet cleaners before I run out, and it's pretty affordable on Amazon. So I'll put this in the comment section. Let me know, this particular one is a power steamer. It's about 5 years old, a power steamer, power lift. But put in the comment section what model Bissell carpet cleaner that you have. All right, and at the end I'll link up to how you can do a tutorial on how to use your carpet cleaner if you don't know how to. All right, thanks so much for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, please.